Today I have some wonderful DIY projects that I would like to share with you. They are simple to make and they are absolutely beautiful. My name is Trisha. For those that are new, welcome to my channel. So glad to have you. So let's go ahead and get started and share the first project with you. For this project, we will be starting off with a wood wreath base and some oval wood beads. I'm going to hot glue these beads to the center of the wreath. To give it dimension, I'm going to add a second layer of beads to the top of the wreath. Afterwards, I took it outside to a well-ventilated area and spray painted it with Rust-Oleum's gold metallic spray paint. Once the paint dried, I glued it to a square block to use as a stand. Here's how it turned out. I just love the results. You can put this on a nightstand, coffee table, or console table in a color that matches your color scheme. If you have been to the bath section of the Dollar Tree, you have most likely seen these clear tub mats. Well, today I'm going to cut up 2 of these mats into squares, basically cutting off the curved areas. Once I was finished, I took it out to my garage and spray painted it in a gold metallic color. Just think of the different colors you could paint this. After the paint dried, I took out my frame that I purchased from IKEA. It's about 19.5 inches wide and 19.5 inches high. If you don't have one of these frames, don't worry, you can use any frame that you may have on hand. You could also go to the thrift store and find one at a great price. I removed the backing of the frame and placed a white poster board inside. Then I added the border on top and then centered my mat inside. Added the acrylic sheet on top, flipped it over, and secured the frame together. Who knew we could use it as wall art? This tray is perfect if you need a place to put your faux greenery and decor. To make this tray, I'm going to hot glue this small wooden circle to this large wooden hanging decor piece. Now I'm going to flip it over, and then I'm going to hot glue wooden blocks around the perimeter of the circle. Once the glue dried, I added caulk in between the spaces. You can skip this step if you want, but I found it to be very helpful in making this piece look so high-end. Afterwards, I set the tray aside to dry for a couple of hours. Then I went outside and sprayed it with a beautiful beige color. I absolutely loved how it turned out. I ended up adding 2 pieces of greenery that I also found at the Dollar Tree inside. So guys, in the comment section below, put a 1, 2, or 3 down below to indicate which one you love. I know a lot of you have been loving all of them, and that's completely fine. If you want to just put all 1, 2, and 3 in the comment section, that's completely fine. So what I do is just rate them on which ones you like the most, and then what I'm gonna do is compile them together and put them in the top category for another video. If you enjoyed this video and would like to see more, try watching these.